Ụmụnne m, nọ na nkuzi AI na-asụ asụsụ gị. Ihe AI ga-eme taa ga-eju unu anya. Pịa bọtịnụ subscribe ka anyị bido. Ẹ̀yin ará mi, ẹ káàbọ̀ sí AI ń sọ èdè rẹ̀. Ohun tí AI máa ṣe lónìí yóò yà yín lẹ́nu. Tẹ̀ bọtini subscribe kí a bẹ̀rẹ̀. Yan uwana, barkanku da zuwa. Wannan darasin AI yana magana da harshenku. Abinda AI zai yi yau zai ba ku mamaki. Ku danna maɓallin subscribe mu fara.
The first thing you need to do is to open your ChatGPT. If you don't have it now, go to your Play Store and search for it and download it. If you are not using Android, make use of Apple Store to install it. Once you are done with that, open the app. Now, when you open it, it's going to show like this if you have it before. If you don't have it before, you have to sign in with your Gmail account or your Google account. So once you are done with that, this interface is going to show exactly like this. Now, you don't need to rack your brain on this particular creation because I've made the prompt available for you. I'm going to pin it on the comment section or the link to the prompt. So you will just insert the prompt. The only thing you need to do on this prompt is just to refine it. As you can see, translate the following English text into natural fluent. You understand? So I'm going to paste the language because I will be making use of Igbo language here. So I'm going to put it like this. Now the text here, I'm going to type it. This is what you need to do on your own. So now this is the text, you understand. The next thing is preserve the original meaning. So you don't need to do anything at this particular interface. You don't need to do anything. Return the text. So you will insert the particular language. If you are any language you want it to give you. Now the traditional attire, this comes to your image generation. So input the base. So do you see what I'm doing now? Input the base for this creation, male. So I can eliminate this female. So you don't need to do this particular voice is going to describe it. The next thing is the output language also. So you are going to put that same language. Now, once you are done with this, you will tap on send. As you can see, it has bring it out. Igbo language, Dalo, Nku. Do you understand? So it's going to give you depending on what you want. Now, for you to generate your image that you'll be using, kindly copy from this particular place, like the traditional attire. Once you copy that, come to the same interface, create the image using this. Now you are going to insert it. Do you understand? Do you get it now? You are going to insert it. Specify it, that is male. Also specify your aspect ratio. Do you see it now? So you just tap on send. Automatically it's going to generate the image for you. Now I'm going to pause the video. Once it's done generating the image, I'm going to show you and we are going to create our video direct. Alright guys, as you can see, the image is done generating. One thing I want to point out here before we generate the video is when you are trying to insert your own, at this particular town side that I write, deliver the output in 8K Ultra HD, make sure you include the aspect ratio. You understand? Once you are done with that, the next thing is that if you don't like the attire, you can just refine it to your own text. So you will tap on the image and click on this download button. is going to download to your gallery. The next thing is for us to convert it to video. You are going to come to your Chrome browser, then you will search for Flow AI like this. Now when you search for it, it's going to bring you to this interface. You just tap on this Google Flow. So it's going to tell you to log in with your Gmail account if you don't have account with them before. So kindly sign in with your Gmail account. The next thing is to tap on this new upload. Now when you tap on it, you are going to tap on this plus icon and tap on this all here. You're going to see upload. Now you tap on this upload icon. Do you see where I'm pointing? So you just tap on it. Now you are going to upload that particular image. All right, once it's done loading, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the image. When you tap on it, if your own did not add like this as you just added here, just tap on the image itself and tap on add to prompt. Do you understand? So the next thing you need to do is your settings. You are going to tap on this particular place, then you are going to change it to video, change the aspect ratio and change the seconds depending on how long your prompt is, but I can keep it at 8 seconds. The next thing is to tap on this model. So you are going to check your own to omni flash. Do you understand? Once you are done with that, you will tap back there. The next thing is to insert this prompt first. Make sure you copy this prompt. Maybe I'm going to pin this one direct in the YouTube channel, in this YouTube video. So the next thing you need to do is to paste that translated voice from ChatGPT. So come to ChatGPT here, copy this translation. So you just copy it, go back to your disk. After you insert this prompt here, then you can now insert this translator. If you did not insert this prompt, your own might give it back to you in English. Do you understand? That is why the prompt is necessary. So after you are done with this, you will hit on the send button. Automatically the generation is going to start. Let's just wait for it to load.
Daalụ nke ukwuu maka ikiri.
Alright guys, it's done generating. The next thing you need to do is for us to test run it. Let me just download it.
Daalụ nke ukwuu.
To download it, you are going to tap on it, you understand? So you can see download, click on it for long. You can download the video direct. If this is not working for you, you are going to see this download button at this place. You will tap on it, then you can download the 720. These are the two ways. Let's just check it out on our file. So I will come here. Alright, this is the video.
Daalụ nke ukwuu maka ikiri. Biko pịa bọtịnụ subscribe ka ị na-enweta nkuzi ndị ọzọ ma kesakwa video a ugbu a.
Do you see it now? So this is how you can create, whether using your own image to speak your native language. If you find this useful, share this now and subscribe for more, because we'll be dropping important tutorials on AI videos. Catch you up on the next tutorial.